Welcome back. In this session, we'll be talking about visual observer guidelines, which means they need to know where the location of the SUAS is at all times. They must maintain visual line of sight, establish a method of communication prior to the operation, and maintain situational awareness. The responsibilities of the visual observer include effectively communicating the location, attitude, altitude, and direction of flight of the UA. They must also be aware of the position of other aircraft and hazards. A visual observer must be positioned in a location to maintain visual line of sight. The visual observer will maintain awareness of the position of the small UA through direct visual observation and communicate this to the remote pilot in command or the person manipulating the controls. The visual observer will use effective scanning, which includes a series of short, regularly spaced eye movements. Each eye movement will not exceed 10 degrees, and each time will last at least 1 second. The method of communication must be determined prior to the operation. The remote pilot in command, the person manipulating the controls, and the visual observer must work out a method of effective communication which does not create a distraction and allows the team to understand each other.